mixing bowl, add 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of softened butter, and 1 cup of brown sugar, packed. Beat using a handheld mixer or a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment until smooth and some air is incorporated. Next, add 1/2 cup of sourdough discard, 3 ripe mashed bananas, and 2 large eggs. Mix well, scraping the sides of the bowl as necessary. Set aside. To a smaller bowl, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk to thoroughly combine. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until almost but not fully combined. Last, stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Grease a 9x5 loaf pan, a bundt pan, 4 mini loaf pans, or a muffin pan. Add your batter to the pan or pans and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Cool the loaves 5 to 10 minutes in the pan before turning out onto a wire rack to cool completely. Optionally, melt a 1/4 cup of chocolate and drizzle all over the top. And there you have it, double chocolate sourdough banana bread. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.